Kuringana na ruhonge rwa FKE, githagathago giki kierekeirie andikani na kambuni itiganite irima-ini ria hathara nene makiria kuumana na rugari wa kiuteti gwakiriria. Kuringana na murugamiriri munene wa ngwataniro ino Jacqueline Mugo, kambuni itiganite riu itigitwo itere na wa gwika otiga gutara hathara kuumana na wendia kuhotoma.
We are in a limbo where you cannot have continuity of work. It's opening and closing, opening and closing. And when there is fear of unrest and disturbance, then as business people, you have to take precautions to protect that business. And most of the CBDs, particularly in the cities in this country, have been impacted. So for sure the productivity levels have gone down.
Nake muikiririkite wa ruhonge ruru Linus Gitahi nyagwetete kugwa kwa mihang'o ya wonjoria na gicunji gia 10% akiuga thina uyu riu ni uthararitie mihang'o imwe ya wonjoria mabururi-ini itiganite.
The effects go to the fact that you hear now Uganda is saying we want to have our oil going through Dar es Salaam because they don't want these interruptions every 5 years. They don't want to be stopping because we are having issues.
Ariho ngiri gwetetwo kuhutio munene wa gaguoyo ya mwena ruhonge rwa uthondeki wa indo, ruhonge rwa mabegi na ruhonge rwa urimi kuri hathara ihiriirie. Ruhonge ruru rugwetete kaunti ya Nairobi na gicigo kia Nyanza undu mwena ruguru rwa bururi gukorwo ari cicigo iria ihutitio munene wa gaguoyo. Githagathago gia kiuteti kiria githiite na mbere na gwithegea no githiite na mbere na kurehe hathara. Ruhonge rwa andikani kana FKE rugithie na mbere na kuria miaho yeri yaranirie ni getha kuhota kunina nditimurano eno. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Mbataru wa Mwangi.